The Congress has lashed out at Modi and has sought time from the Prime Minister to give him the party manifesto and also claimed that will be sending copies of their manifesto from all over India to the Prime Minister's office. Congress party has hit back at PM Modi, attributing his remarks to a disappointing phase 1 of the Lok Sabha polls for the BJP and said the Prime Minister has now resorted to lies and hate speech to divert the attention of the people from the real issues. The Congress has challenged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to show wherein its Congress manifesto says that it will give all resources to minorities. Listen in to the attack coming in from the Congress party.
I'm sorry, this is a very disgraceful speech made by the Prime Minister. But you know, the fact is that people realize that when he says the Congress party is going to take all your wealth and give it to the Muslims, that this is just a nakedly communal appeal which normally any civilized election commission would disallow and warn the candidate for speaking like this. It's simply not decent, number one. Number two, it has never happened. The Congress party is constantly accused by Mr. Modi of having ruled the country for 65 years. Have we taken away people's wealth and given it to the Muslim community? What nonsense is this talk? How can the Prime Minister, a man I respect as the Prime Minister of India, how could he talk like this? I'm truly disappointed.
Elections should fight with harmonious mindset. That should begin from the Prime Minister itself, because Prime Ministership is the big position in this country, constitutional position. But this is quite unfortunate. He is lying everything. He is entirely misquoting the Congress manifesto. That is why we decided to send the manifesto from all over India to PMO. That's all. He is panicking. He is now realizing that India's mood is changing. That is why he is doing all of these things.
हमारे जो अल्पसंख्यक यहाँ तब से रह रहे हैं वो घुसपैठिए हैं। ये किस किस्म की राजनीति है और किस किस्म की संस्कृति है। एक तरफ तो आप राम मंदिर की बात करते हो, वहाँ जाकर उद्घाटन करते हो, राम के आचरणों की बात करते हो, और दूसरी तरफ नफरत फैलाते हो। कहाँ गया आपका सबका साथ? कहाँ गया आपका सबका विकास?